Hey guys, welcome back. It's Fernando, your host of Old Farts Garage. And as you can see by the sun in my face, California weather, it's gotten nice. So, you know what? It's back to getting on that 63 restoration. And it's a little chilly, but you know what? Ain't nothing a hoodie can't take care of. So we're going to go ahead and get back to working on the 63. And I hope you like this video. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to go ahead and start by removing the lights, and then we're going to remove the grille and the bumper, and that'll open up some free space so we can start yanking out the rest of the stuff. Because we're going to pull the engine, do a gasket kit on it, and while the engine's out, we're going to go ahead and clean up the bay, get it all nice and washed up and painted and looking good for when we drop in the new radiator and all the new lines and engine and all that in there. All right, so like I said, first we're going to go ahead and get started on those headlights, and then we're going to go ahead and pull that grille and that bumper off, and we'll see how it goes. All right, let's go ahead and get started on these. Go ahead and start. Holy crap. Alright. Those are a little tighter than I thought. So this one came out okay. Alright. That means we're going to need a power screwdriver. Alright, let's see if we can get it off with one of these handy dandy screwdrivers here. Alright, without stripping these. There we go. A little bit stronger than my hands are. Alright, that one's stripped. Son of a bitch. Well, so much for that one. Alright, let's go ahead and try these. Damn it. Another one. That one. And the clip. Alright, so we got two stripped ones. Son of a bitch. Well, it's kind of almost out of there. See if we can get it out with a screwdriver or something. Boy, that baby's tight. Huh. Maybe I can grip it with some pliers. There it goes. I can just get a good clip on it. There's always that one that's got to give you trouble. No. Okay. Always got one son of a bitch that wants to mess with you. Nothing's always easy. Alright, how about this one here? No, that one's long gone too. Okay. Well, house bells. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull the rest of it. See what I can do. Yeah, oh, little buddies here. Alright. Alright. So, after having to take more body panels off, I think I almost got this one licked. Get the darn thing in there. Okay. Alright, there it is. Oh, there we go. So I just gotta undo these. There we go. Oh, there's a ground wire I gotta undo. Okay. I couldn't get these off of there without, yeah, so I'm doing it the hard way. Where's my Phillips at? Oh, of course it's on the floor. Ah. All right. We're going to get this off of here eventually. You know, I might even just end up cutting this damn wire. It's going to get replaced anyways. Well, there we go. It's coming off easy. Good. But I try not to cut too many wires if I don't have to. And yes, all these wires are going to get replaced because I got a whole new wiring harness. Okay, so there it is. Bumper down. I mean, geez Louise, Fernando. Grill is out. Hello, Caden. All right, now my grandson came out. Let's see what was going on. So everybody thinks I'm talking to myself, and all I'm doing is doing a YouTube video while I'm dismantling my truck. So there you have it. The grill is out. Look at all these. Okay. I'm not ready to cut these off yet, even though, like I said, I got a whole new wiring harness. But I just don't want a bunch of shit everywhere. Now comes the fun part. Trying to get that bumper off of there because it's really rusted. But I went ahead and sprayed it. And sprayed it and got all the nuts and bolts greased up with some WD-40. And hopefully they'll come up. There it is, folks. Grill and bumper are off. Yes, they are. Need to put this on my cart so I can take my plates off. There we go. But anyways, so as you can see, okay, take this camera off of here. All right. So as you can see, after hours of fighting it, the grill came off easily, but the bumper, oh my gosh, that thing was a pain in the ass. And after fighting it and grinding and cutting, I mean, look at them bolts. Those suckers were so rusted. Look at this. That's one of the ones I cut off right there. It just sat there. There's the other one. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to put the light over there. Let me see. Put some light on it. Look at that. I had to cut that bad boy. But hey, I don't care. I got new ones. So, anyways, here. Alright guys. So that's all I got for you today. As you can see, grill and bumper are out. I've got new bumpers for it. They're chrome. And as for the grill, I'm just going to go ahead and sandblast that and paint it and just make it look nice. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys today, and hope you enjoyed this episode, and I hope to give you some more here later now that I'm back and the weather's nice. As you can see, like I said, after a bunch of grinding and cutting and oh, what a battle. Anyways, you guys have a good day, and I hope you guys continue to follow my restoration. Thank you, and God bless.